The Indian men's hockey team scripted history in Tokyo, away from the spotlight. Many of these unsung heroes, they toiled hard for glory for years. Now this bronze is no less than gold.
जीत गया जैसे हिस्ट्री लिखी गई 40 साल बाद इन्होंने बालगढ़ तो बाद ओलंपियन पहली जित लिया अपनी ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जित लिया बहुत खुशी वाली गल है बहुत ज्यादा खुशी वाली.
Humbling much more powerful teams on their journey, they struggled for sponsors. They never saw the limelight. Never landed high payment endorsement deals. Many of their names heard for the first time by so many today.
बस भगवान सही बनाते के लोग के मेडल मिल जाए जीत जा लोगन जीत जाए बहुत खुशी है कोई अंत है खुशी का ना हम लोग बखान कर सकते.
Away from the spotlight, these unsung heroes toiled for glory.
मैच च भी सोहने खेले सी पर थोड़ा जिहा किस्मत ने साथ नहीं सी दिता. आज मैं बहुत खुश है साडे बच्चे बहुत वधिया.
24 karat courage, 24 karat metal.
बड़ी खुशी है जी. सभी देशवासियों को मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. भाई सुरेंद्र कुमार मेडल जीत कर आए और बड़ा धूमधाम से स्वागत होएगा जी उसका. सभी कुरुक्षेत्र वालों को मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ.
They may have missed the gold, but this bronze, make no mistake, is nothing less than the big one.
सानू बहुत खुशी है कि आज दा मैच जेड़ा साडे बच्चे ने जित लिया.
ये गोल्ड मेडल समझदे हो?
हां ਅਸੀਂ गोल्ड मेडल इसको समझदे.
ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਬ੍ਰੌਂਜ਼ ਮੈਡਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ 골ਡ ਮੈਡਲ ਹੈਗਾ. ਇਹਨੇ 40 45 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਟੀਮ ਨੂੰ ਬ੍ਰੌਂਜ਼ ਮੈਡਲ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੋਗਾ.
India today salutes the gold standard of Indian hockey.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Team India's captain, coach and the assistant coach. He congratulated them. He said they had scripted history and he looked forward to meeting them on Independence Day.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. थैंक यू सर. सर आपकी बहुत दुआएं थी सर हमारे साथ. थैंक यू सर. बिल्कुल सर. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सर. मैं दे दूंगा सर.
8-15 अगस्त को मिल रहे हैं. मैंने सबको बुलाया है तो उस दिन मिलेंगे हम लोग.
जरूर सर.
थैंक यू. Thank you, sir. They're fantastic, huh? With that, they have. Thank you. Your hard work is giving a result. Thank you, sir. Team spirit is giving a result. Yeah, definitely.
Celebrations erupted across the country after Indian hockey team's spectacular victory against Germany, bringing home the bronze medal. Family members of the players were super excited about the victory and the celebrations. We get you more from families from across the country, whether it's Punjab or Manipur or Kerala or other parts of the country. Take a look at this ground report.
Celebrations, hugs,
बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है. बहुत
sweets, dancing to drum beats. India on a historic high, choking on emotions.
बहुत खुशी वाली गल है. बहुत ज्यादा खुशी वाली गल.
Relishing the big moment of glory, uniting and shedding tears of joy. In Tokyo, the Indian team too joined in while leaving in the team bus.
The country proud today. Fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic performance from the team.
crackers and fireworks at goalkeeper Shrijesh's house. India today was there when the ecstatic Indian goalie called home. First thing after the stupendous victory. Shrijesh had stood like a wall, demolishing many determined teams looking to score against India. The proud families of the Super 16 couldn't hold back their joy. After all, their sons had done the unthinkable, pulling back a trailing India from the jaws of defeat. Emotional moments were witnessed as players called up home to speak to their families. The entire country joined in for one big party. As the 16 players are from diverse backgrounds from across India. There were celebrations from Punjab to Kerala, from Odisha to Uttar Pradesh, from Manipur to Madhya Pradesh.
बहुत खुशी की बात है मैडम, क्योंकि लास्ट तक आज हमने पूरा मैच देखा और साथ में फैमिली भी थी, तो 5-4 जब स्कोर था तो काफ़ी टेंशन थी, क्योंकि हॉकी में एक गोल का गैप कोई ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता। पूरा देश सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है क्योंकि ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया और हम यहाँ पे अच्छे से भाई का वेलकम करेंगे।
जीत गया, जैसे हिस्ट्री लिखी गई, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीत लिया, बहुत खुशी वाली गल है, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी वाली गल।
पूरे 130 करोड़ भारतीयों की दुआएं थी और हमारी जो गोल्ड की उम्मीद थी वो नहीं पूरी हुई, तो ब्रॉन्ज की जो है ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जो है वो हमारे भारतीय टीम ने कामयाब रखा है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who skipped his morning yoga session to watch the match on TV, spoke to the team to congratulate the players.
थैंक यू सर, आपकी बहुत दुआएं थी सर हमारे साथ। थैंक यू सर। सर आपका जो मोटिवेशन था वो काफी काम किया सर हमारी टीम के लिए।
Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, the chief sponsor of the team, and the Parliament also congratulated the men in blue.
Many congratulations to our hockey team. The whole of India is so excited, as is Odisha, of course. We are all behind you and we wish you the very best.
मुझे सदन को ये सूचित करते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि भारत की हॉकी टीम ने 41 वर्षों की लंबी प्रतीक्षा के बाद भारत के लिए कांस्य पदक जीता है। मैं अपनी ओर से, सदन की ओर से भारतीय हॉकी टीम को इस ऐतिहासिक सफलता के लिए हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं।
The historic win and the high are truly a transformational moment for India's national game. Bureau Report, India Today.
After India beat Germany to clinch the first Olympic medal in 41 years in hockey, Captain Manpreet Singh dedicated this victory to frontline workers engaged in the war against coronavirus. His family super excited about this spectacular victory and the hard work that went to bring this country this glorious moment.
बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है,
Wild celebrations at the Jalandhar house of Indian hockey captain Manpreet Singh. Their son has led from the front in ending India's 41-year-long wait for an Olympic medal in hockey. The entire family was emotional,
बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी वाली गल,
with several moist eyes. Moments ago, they had been watching the nail biter, swinging between ecstasy and agony.
मनप्रीत बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होगा हुण क्योंकि मैं मेरी ओलंपियन तीसरी सीगी ते मैं जित के घर वापस आया एक कैप्टन सीगा ते ओदी भी ज़्यादा फिकर सी।
After the massive win, the skipper showcased a large heart, dedicating the win to frontline workers engaged in India's COVID fight. Manpreet was disappointed after 2-5 loss against Belgium in the semi-finals. But he never lost hope. Channelizing energy towards winning bronze has now paid off.
We were speechless when the whistle got off, and we were so happy, and it was a great moment for us and also for the nation.
The captain was part of India's disastrous 2012 Olympic outing, where India finished last among all the teams present. But times have changed, and how? With Rahul Rawat and Boria Majumdar in Tokyo, Bureau Report, India Today.
And the hockey team found a new wall. India's goalkeeper, PR Srijesh, he stole 1 million hearts, 1 billion hearts after a string of vital saves in not just this match against Germany, but throughout these Olympic Games. Now, he is one of the most experienced players of this team. Srijesh has left the team from the front to secure this bronze medal for India at this very crucial stage. But for this crucial player from Ernakulam in Kerala, it hasn't been an easy ride.
On Thursday, PR Srijesh was on top of the world. Moments after hooter sounded, he perched himself on the crossbars of the goalpost. A symbolic show of triumph for guarding the 4 feet by 8 feet patch of turf in front of the goal for 60 very tough minutes. For 6 heart-stopping seconds before the final whistle, it was a life and death situation for Srijesh and the Indian team. And the custodian from Kerala came out tops in the contest. For Srijesh, it was redemption of sorts after having taken the blame for India's early exit at the Rio Olympics 5 years back. The 33-year-old from Ernakulam did not have the greatest of starts when he launched his hockey career. As an 18-year-old in the junior national team, he learnt an early sporting lesson after his mistake led to India losing to Pakistan in the South Asian Games in 2006. But it was upward after that. He was the goalkeeper of the tournament at the Junior Asia Cup in 2008 and got sweet revenge when he saved 2 penalty strokes against Pakistan to win the Asian Champions Trophy. But tragedy struck once again in 2017 when Srijesh suffered an anterior cruciate ligament tear, keeping him out of hockey for over a year. The Indian star fought back mentally and physically to regain full form ahead of Tokyo 2020. As a child, Srijesh trained as an athlete before taking up hockey, a not-so-popular sport in Kerala. That decision was a blessing for Indian hockey.
I am very proud of my son. Okay, he got won the 3rd medal. I don't mind, but it is his 3rd Olympics. But he got 1 medal. I am very, very proud of him.
I'm so happy and proud that our team made us proud and India proud. So happy. This was the only medal lacking in our hope. I'm so happy we are having an Olympic medal now.
Srijesh has definitely joined the illustrious list of India's hockey greats. After all, in a team of young stars, it was the veterans' heroics in Tokyo that ended Indian hockey's 41-year-old medal drought. Bureau Report, India Today.
For a nation that was almost spoilt with hockey medals at the Olympics at one point of time, this 41-year-long wait after the Moscow Olympics has been a rather tough wait, not just for fans, but for a generation that actually grew up listening to stories of the legendary Major Dhyan Chand. This bronze medal has been a delight for this entire nation. It's lifted the national morale. More important than that, it's given a billion dreams wings to actually think that next time we'll do much better.
It'll be another treat to watch if you give a penalty corner for them.
India's fall in world hockey was accelerated by the shift from grass to AstroTurf. Speed and stamina ruled the game, pushing out individual stick work, which India always had in plenty.
First goal of the Olympics, and just finds goalkeeper beats Vivaldi above his stick.
From Mohammad Shahid to Dhanraj Pillai, team after team tried to restore Indian hockey's glorious days. But a medal at Olympics always remained elusive. A medal drought that lasted 41 years, a period during which much changed in Indian sports. Hockey, the national game, became a poor cousin of cricket. A historic bronze at Tokyo has triggered celebrations in many parts of India. From states like Kerala and Bengal that eat cricket and breathe football, to Manipur, to Punjab, to hockey's new home, Odisha. This Olympic medal has ignited new hopes. India's youngsters have 16 new heroes, whose names they did not know till yesterday. Hockey has got a new lease of life. Now we go for gold in Paris. Ye dil mange more. Bureau Report, India Today.